If you open up Instagram app and if you are trying to upload some photos to your Instagram story or post, and if it doesn't show you any photos here, then just watch this video to the very end and I'm gonna show you how we can easily fix that issue. To do that, first off, we need to head over to settings, then scroll down until you find privacy and security, and that's where we need to search for photos. On photos, we need to search for Instagram, and as you may have noticed, it says none. So for now, Instagram app does not allow it to get access to our photos on our device. To fix that, tap at Instagram and then select either limited access or full access. I prefer to select full access, then tap at allow full access. And after that, if we head over to the Instagram app, we can upload any photos from our camera roll as a story or as a post. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.